Hello and welcome, dear students. I, Rinkal Bagadia, your computer teacher from VN Godhani English School, welcome you all in our today's computer class. Children, as you know, we have completed our chapter 2 Tux Paint in our last class. Now today we will do textbook exercise of chapter 2 Tux Paint, that is on page number 21. So, open your textbook and open page number 21. Be ready with pencil and eraser to fill exercise in textbook. So, let's start filling exercise. Children, on page number 21, our chapter 2 exercise is there. Brain developer exercise. Let's start. Question A. Fill in the blanks. Number 1. Tux Paint has a drawing dash that helps us to know about Tux Paint. Here at the below of blanks, hints are given. These are the options of blanks. From this we have to find the right answer of the blanks. So, what is the right answer for first blank? Tux Paint has a drawing. Yes, mascot. So write in the first blank mascot, M-A-S-C-O-T, mascot. Number 2. The most commonly used freehand drawing tool is the dash tool. Freehand drawing tool is, yes, paint tool. So write in the second blank paint tool, P-A-I-N-T, paint. Number 3. We can create a mirror image of a stamp using the dash button. To create mirror image, which button we will use? Yes, mirror button. So write in third blank mirror, M-I-R-R-O-R, mirror. Number 4. The dash tool is used to fill color in an object. Which tool is used to fill color? Yes, fill color tool. So write in the fourth blank answer is fill color. Now, question B. State true or false. First, the grass tool is used to create flowers on the canvas. Is it true? No, it is false because grass tool is used to draw grass, not flowers. So, write in the first box false. F-A-L-S-E, false. Here box is too small. So, if your handwriting is going out of the box, then it's okay. Don't worry. But write the whole spelling of false. F-A-L-S-E, false. Number 2. The drawing mascot in Tux Paint is a naughty duck. In Tux Paint, drawing mascot has a naughty duck? No, it is penguin. So, write number 2 is false. So, write in the box false. F-A-L-S-E, false. Number 3. Clicking on the open button will erase your current file. When we click on open button, it will open our file, not erase. So, it is also false. So, write in third box F-A-L-S-E, false. Number 4. The working of lines tool and paint tool is exactly the same. The work of lines tool and paint tool is same or not? Exactly same? No. So, it is also false. So, number 4 is also false. So, write F-A-L-S-E, false in the fourth box. Now, fifth. Using magic tool, we can apply beautiful effects to our drawing. It is true? Yes. Because using magic tool, we can apply beautiful effects. So, this statement is true. So, write in the fifth box true. T-R-U-E, true. Okay. Now, let's go on question C. Application based questions. Number 1. Rohit wants to draw freehand sketches of cartoons in Tux Paint. Which tool should he use? Rohit wants to draw freehand sketches. So, to draw freehand drawing, which tool we will use? Yes, paint tool. So, write in the first answer paint tool. P-A-I-N-T-T-O-O-L tool, paint tool. Number 2. Amit has drawn a square in tux paint. He wants to fill it with red color. Suggest a tool to complete this task. Now Amit wants to fill color in square. So to fill color in any object, which tool we will use? Yes, fill color tool. So right answer 2 is fill tool. F-I-L-L, fill, T-O-L-L, tool. T-O-O-L, tool, fill tool. Now let's move forward to question D. That is multiple choice questions. Here you have to just click the right answer from A, B, C option. Number 1. Which tool in Tux Paint is used to draw and give amazing effects to a picture? Which tool is used to give amazing effects? Yes, magic tool. So put tick mark on option C, magic tool. Magic tool is the right answer. So tick this option. Number 2. Name the subtool using which you can fill bricks in a picture. Which tool is used to fill bricks? Yes, as its name, bricks tool. So option C, bricks tool is the right answer for question 2. So put tick mark on C, bricks tool. Now third, which option in Tux Paint allows you to view all the saved files in the form of a slideshow? Now to see slideshow of all pictures, which button we will use? Yes, slides button, very easy. So option B is the right answer for MCQ third. So put tick mark on option B, slides button. Number 4. Which tool is selected by default when we open Tux Paint? When we open Tux Paint, which tool is selected already? Yes, very first tool, paint tool. So option A, paint tool is the right answer for question 4. So put tick mark on A, paint tool. Okay. Let's move forward to next question. Question E, answer in one word. Number 1. Which effect fills the drawing canvas with bricks? Which effect is used to fill bricks or draw bricks? Yes, bricks tool, very easy as its name. So write down first answer is bricks tool. B-R-I-C-K-S-E-F-F-E-C-T, bricks effect. Number 2. Which tool in Tux Paint is similar to the brush tool in paint? Which tool is similar to brush tool of paint? Yes, paint tool. So write down answer 2 is paint tool. P-A-I-N-T-T-O-O-L, paint tool. Number 3. Which tool is used to save a drawing? Very easy. Which tool will be used to save drawing? Yes, save tool. So right answer number 3 is save tool. S-A-V-E, save, T-O-O-L, tool. Number 4. Which tool is used to draw straight pattern? If you want to draw pattern in straight line, so for that which tool we will use? Yes, lines tool. So right answer number 4, lines tool. L-I-N-E-S-T-O-O-L, lines tool. Now students, number F question is answer the following. That is in our notebook exercise. So that is I will send on next class. Now today our textbook exercise is here completed. So in next class we will write notebook exercise. Till then, stay safe, learn well. Goodbye. Thank you.